Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. Now we've teamed up with Walls, / they've sent me a box of these, one of each in fact, because they brought out these 2 brand new slices to the market. Gone are the days we used to have a peppered steak slice. That's my favourite. What's your favourite?
I
slice?
like a chicken. Do you like a chicken slice?
Chicken slice.
I've never been partial to a slice.
Okay. Oh no. Snack lovers out there who've spent time on the road, van drivers. When I was driving a van, I love having slices. Always used to go for the steak one, and also used to kind of like it cold. Is that a bit weird? Anyway, these Walls ones, chili beef burrito. Kind of looks, if it looks anything like that, they've got a winner on their hands. And we've got Mexican chicken fajita here as well. It looks pretty nice as well. Kind of fancy too. So we've dinged these for 2 minutes over there in the microwave. We walked outside because they're chuffing hot, and we like doing reviews outside, to be fair. So Walls, here we go. What came out first, Jess? What one's less volcanic?
The fajita one.
The fajita one came out first. So everyone knows when you microwave anything like this, the first bite normally burns your face off, and then you spend the remainder of the slice trying to piece your life back together. So this is the Mexican chicken, succulent chicken in a medley. Good word. Ooh. These are the sort of descriptive words that I don't actually use. A medley of cheddar cheese, mixed peppers, smoked paprika, and just a little garlic wrapped with an extra tasty pastry. I think, do you know what? That's the sort of descriptive words of a professional. Walls, bravo to someone in the marketing team. Here we go. There we have like a bit of a steamed pastry here. I think we should have had it cold. I like them cold. Who's that? Don't know. He had quite a loud voice, didn't he?
Tell you what, why don't you eat these ones and then we'll cut and then we'll get you cold ones.
Dynamic, Jess.
You can try them.
Dynamic.
They won't even know.
Walls, you sent me these. Let's go.
Let's have a look inside.
Hang on. First things first. That's good. Spicy as well. Woo! Okay. That's actually quite good. Very good. What I was saying was, when I dived into that, I got that fajita aroma. Actually, no, it's really hot. Here we go. Let's push it out. That's my filling.
It smells good.
Snack lovers out there will know. Look, I know Gordon Ramsay won't exactly be putting these on the menu, but us, the working man and woman, occasionally dip into the shops and get something like this when you're on the road and you don't want a sandwich. That's actually decent. If anything, I'm gonna sound like a right wuss here. A little bit too spicy for me. I've been out the spice game for a little while now. I've retired from all spice challenges as well, by the way.
I'll believe that when I see it.
We've got Van Central going on there now, look. Van here, Van over there. Right.
Open the lid up so we can see inside it.
There you go, look. It's full. Good coverage. Some things, you prefer your home favourite. Your peppered steak slice. Even that had a bit of pepper to it. This, however, we do like a fajita zone, don't we, Jess?
There, they'll go to.
Well, fair play.
How much are they?
Because I like to do extensive research on our products. These are retailing at £1.50. I just got a bit of spice again. £1.50. In the shops, in your pocket, in your gob. Straight in the pile, £1.50. Do you know what? I'm actually destroying this.
Try the other one.
All right. That's good. Can I have a drink watch for a second?
Yeah.
I just whipped this out of Holy HQ. Lilt, welcome back to the page. Very happy to have you. I just need to swirl out the spices. That is good, by the way. You like a bit of a spicy fajita kick? Give that a try. In fact, because we have teamed up with Walls, try them, have one, and let me know. Tag me in your Instagram stories. And by the way, if you're not already following us on Instagram, please do, because you're going to see loads more behind the scenes, traveling to and from, funny stuff, pictures, content. Instagram, we'll put a little thing on the page now. Now this is the chili beef burrito slice. Here we go. Let's read the marketing spiel. Succulent beef, zinging with red pepper, more heat. Smoked paprika, jalapenos, all wrapped in our extra tasty pastry. Now, one thing I will say, oh, this one looks like it's got a nice bit of colour. Do you know what? That looks all right. A little bit deflated because it has been zapped in the microwave. I'm assuming optimum way to cook this, Jess, I don't know if you saw, would be to oven it. Is that right or not?
I think they're just microwave.
Is it a snack on the go job?
Let me have a look.
This one feels better. What do I do? I might rip this one.
No, it just says from microwave.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, Jess. Look at that.
Oh.
Do you know what? That actually looks like quite rich. Here we go.
It smells good as well.
Now that is a winner. That tastes like home. On a cold winter's afternoon, if you were driving past a shop and wanted a warm pocket of kidney beans, minced meat, burrito in a slice, that's banging. That's really good.
Really?
Actually, kind of a bit like your steak slice, but burrito flavour. One thing I will say, I put a lot of time and effort into the sauces. Look how rich that is. You see that?
It smells exactly like a chili, doesn't it?
It does. It really does. Bravo. Walls, shout out to you for coming to the party with something new. Should I give it a score, Jess? Give it a score? These are not, as you know, a bit like the shop sausage rolls, shop slices. It's not the top of the tree. However, innovation, I like it. I like it a lot. Bravo. I'll give it a really strong 7 out of 10. How do you feel about it, Jess?
Yeah.
7 out of 10. There we have it. Me, my slices. We're off to do some more reviews. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. And if you're new to the page, remember, give us a like, give us a share, give us a follow, and I'll see you soon. And that was a review.